Hello guys, how are you? So in this tutorial we will learn how to link a Revit file into the Revit project. Means if this is my Revit project and I have other Revit project also from which I have to copy some things, or I have to link the architectural model or MEP model to be the concept, or if I have to do my drawing as per architectural drawing, I should link that model. Or otherwise in this tutorial, because I am doing all tutorials purely based on a structure, so in this video I will show you people by linking the Revit structural model, which is incomplete, but anyhow we will continue, it doesn't matter. Okay, so there are three methods basically I know how to load the Revit model, how to load the link. There is one method. If you go to insert tab in the ribbon, you can see there is Link Revit. If you click on the Link Revit, you can go to your file. I will go to my file. Very far. I will load structure file. I will click on the link and I will press okay, open. It will take a while. I will close. I will go to my 3D. I will double click. You can see here this is my Link Revit model. Okay, so this is one method. I'll delete this. I'll press remove link. Again, I will go to my link level, and again one more method is if I go down in project browser, you can see Revit links. I will right click on this. I will check new link, and again I will take the project and I will open. So this way, this is the second method. And the last method, whichever I know, is if you go to manage tab, you can click on manage links. Now you can see here there are many links you can load: Revit, IFC, CAD, DWF, point cloud, and topography. You can see here my architectural model is currently loaded. I don't know where it is. Okay, so if I click on the add button here, I'll go to project 1. I'll click open. Now you can see here my project 1 is loaded, which is overlay. I want to keep this as this should be attachment, and I will click OK. If I go to 3D, now again you can see my Revit file has been linked. Now if I click on this, if I hover on this, you can see I will be able to select this linked file and I will be able to move the linked file. But there is one option here in the bottom side. If you go here, there is select click option. If I click on this, notice it is showing as cross marks. That means if I hover on my link model, I will not be able to select any of the links. Okay, so this button is very useful if you are working on the large projects. If I'll check this, now you can see I will be able to select the link model. So now our next topic is if I show you in the syllabus for you to pass the Revit structure professional exam, we have covered till linked models. Now I will show you the control and the visibility of the linked models. There are two topics in the collaboration. Okay, so now you can see you can control the visibility of this model. For example, in last session we have completed up to the grid. Now I will show you people by drawing one slab of any shape. Let us consider this is our slab. It is not appearing in the model because it is in other floors. Now you can see if I go to manage tab, manage links, if I click on the project link, you can see it is loaded. Okay, I want to remove this model, architecture model. Press OK. Right. Now I have only the structural model loaded. Now if I click on the VG, that is visibility graphics, or else you can go from here also visibility graphics. If I go to Revit links, I will able to make it as half tone. If I click on the half tone apply, you can see here my linked model is half tone. So I will be able to work on my current project easily by setting up the graphic visibility. If I go to again visibility and graphics tab, you can see here I will go to Revit links. However, in the model categories also I will be able to make all the half tones. But necessarily if you are working in the project, you should always make the linked file as half tone and your project as uncheck the half tone. If I go to again visibility graphics, I will go to Revit links. I will check, I will uncheck half tone. I will go to by host weave. I will check on custom. And again, I will go to model categories. Again, I will take this as custom. You can see now I will be able to edit all the things, whichever may be the model. Now, in our current session, we have structural model. I will check structure and I will uncheck architecture. Now you can see from here also I will be able to, if I click on the expand tab, I will be able to take any of the model elements from the linked file and I can edit the visibility of this. For example, I will go to column. So for example, I will check all and I will click on the patterns. I will check solid pattern and I will take color as magenta. I will click OK. I will apply and I will click OK. So you can see here, I notice I unchecked half tone. I will click OK. Notice we have our structural model as pink. So you will be easily able to notice that your linked model is pink, that is magenta color. So again, if I go to visibility graphics, if I go to Revit links, or if I go to custom, if I go to custom and again model categories, again custom, I will check custom. Now again I will check all, I will change the color to white. I click apply. You can see here my model has been, sorry, I did not check visibility. Again I will go to visibility, Revit links, custom, model categories, and I'll check all. I will take this as magenta. Instead of magenta I will take white. I'll apply OK, apply OK, apply. Now you can see the color has been gone. Again, instead of all the structural materials, if I hover on the link model, if I press tab, I will be able to select the elements. Now by selecting elements also, if I select one slab element, I will right click, I will check override graphics in the by category. Okay. So you can see, I think it will not come like this. Again, I had to go to visibility graphics, Revit links. Now we custom model categories. If I go to structure, I will be having structural flow, or this is structural foundation. Now I will go to patterns. I will check solid fill and I will take here magenta color for this line. Okay, apply. Okay. Now you can see I have changed my structural slab as pink color. Notice the only one slab has been changed since I don't know why, because this is floors, this one is structural foundation. So we have to go to visibility graphics again, Revit links, custom, model categories, and again I should go to floors. So if I go on the floors, I will be able to again check magenta color for this slab. Now you can see again this slab has been changed. Now let us check the columns. I go to Revit links, custom, model categories. I will go to structural columns. You should be knowing the name structural columns. I will change this color to green. Okay, okay, apply. Okay. You can see, wow, a model. You can check the model. So by assigning the colors and the visibility, you will be able to work in Revit file very easily with your native files. So this is how you will control the visibility of the linked file. I hope you learned something in this tutorial. So let's meet in next tutorial, which is now the collaboration part is over. Now the next part is documentation. Okay. So we'll discuss further in the next tutorial. So subscribe this channel guys and make sure you put a like on this video. Thanks again. Well, take care.